I call upon the Chief of Staff. General Anyo, can you come forward and be counted as one of the Filipinos Sir, tinatanong ka kasi makulit yan si... You are now facing the next DILG Secretary.
Okay.
Kailangan ko kasi I have a problem with the police. And a military man, halos pareho-pareho lang yan ng, except that the police can really, mahirap ang police ngayon. I was reading, coming here, another spot report of 4 policemen, again, kidnapping, putang na talaga ito mga police na to. So, you need somebody who knows the police by the fingertips of his hand. Kailangan yan, puro ano lang yan. And then, we have a problem with terrorism. What looms very big ahead is the IS. They are coming in. Bakbakad tayo sa Mindanao ngayon. As a matter of fact, I've been using the F-50A jets on bombing runs, and I'd like you to know that itong droga, wala itong katapusan, and if somebody there with the bleeding hearts, drug is fueling the terrorism in the South. That's why we have a lot of promising drug laws there again. And Visayas is becoming doon palanding Kasi kung mag-kidnap pa sila, it's a burden. They have to, it's like ibagahe. Karga-karga pa nila yung victim nila. But ang droga, and they know that ang Pilipino gago. Some but not all. Maski alam nila masisira sila, kakatok sila, may pumunta pa dito na doktor, umalis na ba? Yung buang na black na sinabi niya, ang shabu hindi daw makasira sa ulo. Kaya pala pumunta dito yung putang inang yun, sira ng ulo. At mag-a-announce dito. I was just listening to one of the stations and I heard the idiot, another idiot in this planet. Imagine saying that shabu cannot harm a person. Samantala, pagpapatayin mo nanay mo, pati tatay mo na yung guardian angel, nagbubulong sa iyo na. So he's retiring. I think it's really by May, June ka no? So, puro military halos. Si Roy, pati siya. May isang bakante pa, madagdagan ko pa ng isang military, kumpleto na yung hunta natin. Hindi na sila kayo magkudita. Nandiyan na kayo na. Pagod na ako. You know guys, you might think that I enjoy travel, jetting in and out. When you are old, saka estudyante pa kami, talagang, ayan, si Susan, yan, ang tiga-abang sa amin dyan sa domestic noon. I was a congressman, I had to go home. I hate to travel because it makes me dull already. Even if you are tumatamaan na ako ng jet lag. Would you believe it, at one time we were talking sa bilateral, I think it was in, where was that, sir? For the first time in my life, kaharap ko yung Prime Minister, natulog ako, ginising ako niya, Mr. President, sabi ko, I was just thinking aloud, Hindi ko talaga kaya. That's why I brought my family to tide me over. It's about time that if you can shorten my term to 3 years, talagang okay sa akin. Totoo. Pagwa ng... they might decide to hunta na lang muna kasi maraming tarantado eh. Di patinuin na muna nila ang Pilipinas. But I assure you that just let me announce. Yung mga oligarchs, and they are known, they're about. Kaya ng Inquirer, ng Dunkin' Donut, siyang may-ari, nakakuha sila ng propiedad for 25 years. It was renewed for another 25 years. And they have a tax liability of 1,500,000,000. Walang bayad-bayad lang. And when you are editorialized, you are pictured to be the #1 robber.